Alrighty, Jim, here's your 427 small block Ford. Got that Dyno in. Everything went great. This is a beautiful motor. Love the red. Come out really nice. Got the trick little manifold on it. Edelbrock cylinder heads on it. Custom ground camshaft. Custom pistons. Beautiful Billet Specialties front end. Just a stunning motor. Obviously EFI. Go over that by the Terminator X. Go in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down at 3500, it's 505, peak torque 522. Makes really good torque. That manifold's kind of part of that combination. Obviously it gives up a little upstairs. 480, front end usually about 20, 15, so we rated a 500. So everything's good. We'll get her off there, get in our crate, come your way, and have a great day.